everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my update for the rolling 5-pan that I am doing in collabs with my girl Amanda. We just wanted to do something really simple, so we decided to do a rolling 5-pan, just as simple as that. It can be any beauty product at all, and once we finish something up, not hit a goal, but actually finish something up, we can roll it out and then roll in a new one. It's all about using the stuff up. And I have an empty. I'm so excited that I actually have an empty this month, and let me show it to you. This is from the Sephora Colorista palette. It was like that kind of peachy blush, and it had like little gold glitters in it, and it is done. I knew it was going to be done because I had very little left on the last update, and it was almost a shame that I couldn't have used it like 3 or 4 more times before that update, because it would have been done otherwise. So that is done. It is out of my collection. I will be rolling that out, and in a minute or two I will be rolling in a new product. So the next thing that I have is this Hair Omega Argan Oil Conditioner. I was at this orange line right here last time, and now I'm at the red. And I know it seems like this is taking a very long time, but I also only wash my hair usually in the winter time, and in the cooler months it's once a week. I'm up to 2 to 3 times a week now, just because I'm doing a lot more activity. It is so hot and humid, and you know, when your hair gets sweaty, then you have to wash it. But I still don't wash my hair every day, and not even every other day frequently. So it's just going to take me a while to use that. I knew when I put it in here it was going to take me a long time, but that's okay. It's something I want to get used up, and this is the perfect project for it. All right, moving on. This is something that has been in here since day one as well. This is the Benefit What's Up. I've got progress lines, and you can see all of my progress lines right there. I am finally at that bottom red line, and you can see it's very rounded looking, so hopefully I will have some good progress next update as I wear off that top dome there. So that's another one I feel good about. Another one that's been in here for a while, this is the e.l.f. Deep Brown Brow Pencil, and I was at the purple line last time. Now I'm at the red. I've been using powder a lot, so I have not been using this quite as much. Let's see if I can actually line this baby up. There you go. So I don't always use the pencil when I'm in a hurry, and since school has started, you know, I'm always in a hurry, but I will try to continue to use that one. The other product that I am working on is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It was brand new when I brought this in, and I am at that red line. Sorry about that, I was swatching, and my finger is still colored. So yeah, right there at that line. I don't know how I feel about this one. I can't use it that frequently, otherwise I break out. The moisturizer that's in there is just a little too much for my skin, and so I can only use it like every other time or every third time I use a primer, so that one's going to be slow going. All right, so you saw what I still have that I'm rolling over. You saw what I finished up, and let me show you what I am rolling in this time. This is the Living Proof No Frizz Nourishing Styling Cream. It is brand new. I got it in a Sephora Play box, and yep, I plan on trying to get this used up. It's hot and humid and crazy here right now, so yeah, anything that's no frizz is going to make my hair a little bit happier because it's out of control. So that is it. Those are my 5 products that I'm going to be working on for the next month. I really hope you go check out Amanda. She's going to be linked down below, of course, and of course I'm going to have her beautiful face at the end of my video, so you can just click on her there. And that's pretty much it for this update. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.